not mine at all. Jesus only let me use him to die down the line. So remind me, dear. Hold back the curtains of me now and then. Show me where you brought me from and where I could have been. Remember, I knew your name. Let's forget. So remind me, dear. Nothing good have I done to deserve God's son. I'm not worthy of your charging with me. Yet you chose the road to Calvary to die in sin. Why he loves me, I can't understand.